Hey you. Yeah, you. Have you ever think that you love using a drilling machine? Nah, that's a bad hook. Have you ever wondered why a drilling machine is so big, heavy and hard to use? What if I'm telling you that we have built a drilling machine, but smaller? Forget it, let's get to the point. Introducing prototype of miniature drilling machine. So this is my design. It simply consists of DC motor to spin the drill bit, a handle to move the DC motor, clamp to adjust the height, drill chuck to hold the drill bit, and the base where you can put the workpiece. Now let's talk about the features. By pushing the handle, you can move the drill bit downwards up to 70mm. Having that much of a distance is unnecessary because the biggest size of the drilling machine that I am using has barely 50mm of the threaded parts. The initial height can be adjusted by loosen or tighten the clamp. Small vise is attachable. Bolts and nuts are used to join the vise to the base part. Please ignore the mess. Drill chuck that I'm used can hold a drill bit range from 0.3mm to 4mm. So in this video I'm using a 3mm and 4mm drill bit. The motor I'm using is model 775 DC motor. It can produce 3800 revolution per minute at 12 volt and 800 at 24 volt. Now we are in the testing section. The workpiece is aluminum sheet. Thickness is 0.5mm. Second workpiece is PVC pipe, thickness 2mm. The third workpiece, wooden plank, thickness 50mm. And the last one is sheet metal, thickness 2.5mm. Right now I'm using 3mm diameter drill bit to speed up the process. But as you can see, this metal is still able to stop the drill bit. If you wonder how big is this bad boy, this is how it's look next to an electric kettle. Man, I should pick a bigger one so mine looks smaller. It is easy to disassemble. First, disconnect the handle from the body. Loosen the clamp and remove the whole body from the column. Remove the springs. Pull out this part and find this lever and push it. Do the same on another side. And now it's done. It can fit in the regular backpack, so you can use it anywhere. As you can see, it fits perfectly. So how heavy is this bad boy? It's only weight 4 kg. As conclusion, I can safely say that my project is a success. With that all being said, see you again.